Kashoo is a popular accounting software that promises to make managing your business finances easier. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know before buying, especially when compared to other accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks. First thing, Kashoo is designed with simplicity in mind. While other tools like QuickBooks can feel overwhelming with their many features, Kashoo aims to provide a straightforward and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for small business owners or freelancers who need an easy solution without the steep learning curve. Next thing, Kashoo offers automatic bank feeds, which means it can sync with your bank account and credit cards to import transactions directly. This feature can save you a lot of time compared to manually entering data. However, this feature isn't as robust as in other software like Xero, which provides more advanced reconciliation tools. The third thing, Kashoo supports multi-currency transactions, a great feature if you're dealing with international clients. While this is a key selling point, QuickBooks Online offers a more comprehensive set of features for global businesses, including support for multiple countries' tax systems and more customizable reporting. Next thing, Kashoo's invoicing features are simple but effective. You can easily create and send professional invoices, track payments, and set up recurring invoices. However, if you're looking for a more sophisticated invoicing system, FreshBooks might be the better choice, with more advanced customization options and automated payment reminders. The fifth thing, Kashoo provides detailed financial reporting that covers the basics like profit and loss statements and balance sheets. But when compared to more feature-packed competitors like Xero, which offers more advanced financial reporting and analytics, Kashoo falls a bit short if you're looking for deeper insights. Next thing, if you're a freelancer or a small business owner, Kashoo's ability to track project costs and expenses is a huge benefit. It can help you stay on top of your budget. However, for larger businesses, tools like QuickBooks or Xero offer more comprehensive project management and tracking capabilities. The seventh thing, Kashoo allows you to track your sales tax, which is helpful for businesses operating in regions with complex tax regulations. However, if you're looking for software with more in-depth tax management and filing options, you may want to consider alternatives like QuickBooks, which handles taxes with more flexibility. Next thing, Kashoo integrates with a variety of third-party apps, which expands its functionality. While it's not as extensive as QuickBooks or Xero in terms of integration options, it still covers essential integrations like payment gateways and CRM tools. The ninth thing, customer support for Kashoo is decent, but it's mostly limited to email and chat support. If you need phone support or 24/7 availability, other options like Xero or QuickBooks provide more robust customer service offerings. Next thing, Kashoo offers a flat rate pricing structure, which can be appealing for those who want a simple, predictable cost. However, if you require more advanced features, you may end up needing to upgrade to a higher tier plan, which is a common issue with most accounting software. The 11th thing, Kashoo's mobile app is decent for on-the-go accounting, allowing you to create invoices, track expenses, and view financial reports. However, the app's features aren't as extensive as those of competitors like QuickBooks, which offers a more feature-rich mobile experience. And the final thing, Kashoo's simplicity can also be a downside for businesses that require more complex accounting tools. If you need advanced features like inventory management, project tracking, or payroll, tools like Xero and QuickBooks may be more suited to your needs. So, while Kashoo is a good option for small businesses or freelancers looking for an easy-to-use solution with basic features, it may not be the best fit if you need advanced functionality. If you're after a better option with more features and flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.